In this video we will learn about the Enphase Installer Portal. Visit enlighten.enphaseenergy.com. Log in with your credentials. This is dashboard where you can check status of all your Enphase system. Click on Systems. Here you will see all your installed systems name. Click on system name you want to view. This is system overview. Here you can see current day solar energy generation and home consumption, past 7 days, complete month and lifetime energy generation and home consumption. This is current day solar PV module wise energy generation. From this drop down menu you can view current and past energy and power data. For module wise data, click over module and click graph icon. Here you can zoom in the day wise data. You can see average real power, DC voltage, DC current, AC voltage, AC current and microinverter temperature for individual PV module and microinverter. By clicking on reports, you can get the inverter generation data for selected dates and download. Events tab will show you any current or past error occurred during operation of microinverter. Going back to full system, under graph option you can see the phase-wise production and consumption data. Please note for phase-wise data, you need to install CT on all production and consumption phases. By clicking on Reports tab, you can access the plant energy generation reports. Under Devices you can check the status of all your Enphase devices. Normal means all devices are reporting and working. You can add or provision new or replaced microinverters from here. By clicking on Gateway Serial Number, you will land on IQ Gateway setting page. Here you can scan for new devices. Also disable and enable the power production remotely. By clicking on Enphase Integrated Production Meter, you will land on Production CT setting page. Here you can enable or disable the CT or can change the polarity. By clicking on Enphase Integrated Consumption Meter, you will land on Consumption CT setting page. Here you can enable or disable the CT by selecting appropriate position of CT or can change the polarity. Events tab will show you any current or past error occurred during operation of solar plant. Live status will show you the live status of plant's generation and house consumption. You can check this phase-wise also. Summary tab will show you plant energy graph and environmental benefits. You can manage plant settings by clicking on the Setting tab. Here you can change the grid profile from 0 export to normal or normal to 0 export. Also can edit the array according to the site. You can replace the gateway or microinverters from here also. For more details please contact our support team on 180030933765.